Hello again. Today I'm going to show you how to get the hidden SSID for any network. If we run the LDump here, we are going to get those networks. My network connected in the Windows machine, data underscore, it's not showing here. After running LDump just you need to wait a little, and the name should appear either in the workstation side or the client side or in the Wi-Fi networks side. If it is a busy network, which means it has a lot of people working on it, or it has a high traffic level, then the name should appear automatically. If it's not appearing, there is a manual way to force the name to appear. So let's wait a little to see if data underscore will appear or not. So I'm gonna open the YouTube in my mobile phone just to make it a little busy, the network, to see if anything will change. So if we can see here, this is the name of my network and this is the old name. I'm gonna just press Ctrl C. If we can see here, this is my network name and this is the old network name. If you compare this MAC address of this one, you can see it's here the same, which means this is the hidden name. So you can get the hidden name by this way. If there was no traffic going on this network and still it's hidden, I'm gonna show you how to find this manually.